Of course, so much of what we've seen at the Expo is about data. It's about being able to record it and interpret it into very highly accurate levels. And one company is doing a lot of work in that area is MicroStep. I'm pleased to say I'm joined by Martin, who's the CEO of the company. First of all, why not give us the overview, introduce us to MicroStep?
First, I would start that not MicroStep, but MicroStep-MIS.
Okay.
There are several companies which are sharing the name, but they are active in other fields, and MIS is for the monitoring and information systems. So we are doing the monitoring and information systems for meteorology, hydrology, radiation monitoring, and related areas over the last 30 years, from sensors, from the equipment, from the data logger through software, up to the provision of services and up to the provision of the turnkey systems.
So I suppose that's the crucial part, that you can work with a client no matter where they are, whether they just need the sensor solution, the software solution, or as you say, the full turnkey solution.
We have clients of all types. As you mentioned, there are clients, even our competitors, who are buying our sensors. There are clients who are buying, for example, weather stations, and there are the international tenders during which we deliver the complete national meteorological solution for the particular country.
Of course, accuracy is so important with all of this. I know we're standing in front of your kind of calibration setup. Introduce me to this and tell me why it is so important that you have this, I guess, for your own internal uses, but of course, make it available for customers too.
We are the sensor producers, and the factory calibration is the part of the production process. And in order to make it economic, we develop the special tools which can be used for the calibration, and we learned that the quality of the design allowed the certification. Our in-house calibration laboratory got the ISO 20025 certification, and we learned that the tools could be brought to the customers and could help our customers to build such a laboratory. For example, National Met Service needs to calibrate their own sensors in order to maintain the accuracy and maintain the precision of the measurement and correspondingly aviation safety, etc. So we have developed our tools. This one is the pressure well calibrator for the atmospheric pressure sensors with MicroStep-MIS barometer as a standard, against which the other barometers are calibrated, and those could be barometers not just from MicroStep-MIS production, but also any barometer on the market. And the second one is the Univel, the calibration of the calibrator of the relative humidity. So the relative humidity probes could be calibrated, and all the process is automatized using our software. So all the calibration is controlled from the computer up to the printing of the calibration certificates and up to the storing of the calibration data for the long-term archiving.
And this is, and correct me if I got this wrong, but this doesn't have to just be a MicroStep-MIS calibration of your sensors. You can use this to calibrate other sensors.
Any sensors, and in case of the intelligent sensors, which allow to write the calibration polynomial directly into the sensor firmware, we usually create a driver for the new type of sensor so that our calibrator can handle those sensors completely, including this adjustment phase.
Give me a sort of overview, if you can, the sort of clients you're getting, really cool mixture of people coming in, but what are the big problems they're trying to solve? Where they come to you and they say, look, help us out. Martin, help us out. What are the big problems they're trying to solve?
We deliver our products. So the standard issue is that the airport needs an automated weather observing system. So the customers can see the system, and we participate in the tender, and if we win, we equip the airport with all the systems the customer wants. Similarly, the National Met Services are upgrading every 10 to 15 years their own network of automatic weather stations, and this is an opportunity for us to provide our products and participate in such competition.